Hello everyone, today we are introducing you an all-in-one mobile post printer. It is suitable for retail mobile post, mobile data processing, receipt and invoice printing, mobile ticketing and road tracking, parking management, transportation and logistics. First, let's have an overview look at the printer device. This is front, this is the side, back, hand strap, side, scan button. This is the bottom. This is for charging cradle. And top with barcode reader window. Here's UHF RFID reader. This printer device is with the Android 4.2 Jelly Bean operating system and can be upgraded to Android 4.4 KitKat with MTK 1.3 GHz quad-core CPU. And the 5-inch touchscreen is capacitive with high resolution, sunlight viewable, and especially with Corning Gorilla Glass, which is anti-scratch. This printer is integrated with 2-inch thermal printer, which can print continuously about 6 hours after one full charge. Can print numbers, letters, characters, and image. Let's see how the printer works. Printing speed is very fast. We installed with a printer test application. And also, this printer device is with efficient multiple mode data connection, including with 1D or 2D barcode reader. The top is a 1D barcode reader. Okay, let's see how the barcode reader works. It's with the virtual keyboard mode, means you can scan everywhere with input window. Okay. We can see the scan speed is very fast. The scan information is over here. And also it is standard with NFC RFID reader. This is an NFC card. When you put the card at the back of the device, it reads automatically. And also it can be with the UHF RFID reader simultaneously. Let's see how the UHF RFID reader works. So we are with a UHF RFID reader application. On the wall is the UHF RFID tag. It now is continuously read the text. The reading distance is around 1 to 1.5 meters. It's counting now reading the text. Also, this printer is also integrated with a fingerprint for capture the fingers. With the two cameras, the front is 2 megapixel and the back is 8 megapixel with autofocus and flashlight. Let's see the camera work. The camera is supported with zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's take a photo. Zoom out, zoom in. And also, this camera can help capturing images for proof of condition and video recording supported. The CM550 printer device with 3G, which can real-time voice and data collection. Also with Wi-Fi, support with cost-effective, reliable data transmission, and with integrated GPS and support with AGPS, enables road tracking account on the move. Also, this printer device is with a charging cradle, which can charge the device and an extra battery simultaneously. It's very convenient. As well as a multiple charging cradle, which can charge 3 printer devices together. If you have any interest for our printer device, please contact us freely. Thank you.